Like, not today, please. And then I press it one more time, and it chuckles, and then comes on. This is a less than 2-year-old car, brand new, no issues, no prior issues. Like I said, it's a brand new car, pretty much. Car doesn't start. Push the button, car doesn't start. I'm like, hold on. Let me turn the steering wheel. Let me make sure I got my foot on the brake. Push the button, lights flicker, car doesn't start. I'm just like patient, like, come on, Lord. I pray. I'm like, come on, Lord, please. Please. I'm asking you, I'm begging you.
Not today.
Not today, please. And then I press it one more time, and it chuckles, and then comes on.